Everyone is talking about prompt engineering. People spend hours trying to find the perfect prompt, act as an expert, think step by step, use chain of thought. But what if I told you that's no longer the most important skill in AI? The real competitive advantage in 2026 isn't prompt engineering, it's context engineering. And understanding the difference might completely change how you build AI products. When most people hear AI engineering, they think about prompts, better wording, better instructions, better role playing. And yes, prompts matter. But modern AI systems aren't just a prompt sent to a model, they are entire ecosystems: memory, knowledge, tools, state, retrieval systems. The prompt is only one piece of the puzzle. Context is the entire puzzle. Prompt engineering works until it doesn't. No matter how clever your wording is, you cannot magically give a model information it doesn't have. You can't access private company documents. You can't remember thousands of previous conversations. You can't execute code. And you definitely can't build production grade AI products using prompts alone. Eventually, every team discovers the same thing. The limitation isn't the prompt, the limitation is the context. So, what exactly is context engineering? Think of it as designing everything the AI sees before it generates an answer. Not just instructions, but memories. Retrieve documents, external tools, user history, current application state. The goal is simple: give the model exactly the information it needs, exactly when it needs it. Modern AI systems are built on multiple layers of context. Layer 1 is the current stack. Layer 2 is conversation history. Layer 3 is long-term memory. Layer 4 is retrieved knowledge. And Layer 5 is tools and environment. Prompt engineering mostly focuses on Layer 1. Context engineering focuses on all 5. That's why it creates dramatically better systems. Look at today's AI agents. The LLM isn't the entire product anymore. It's just one component. Around it sits an orchestrator, retrieval systems, memory systems, tool integrations, databases, and APIs. The smartest AI products aren't winning because they use better models. They are winning because they build better systems around those models. Let's compare them directly. Prompt engineering asks, what should I say? Context engineering asks, what should the model know? Prompt engineering focuses on instructions. Context engineering focuses on information. Prompt engineering optimizes behavior. Context engineering expands capabilities. One improves answer, the other makes entirely new answers possible. Imagine a coding assistant. Prompt engineering says, act as a senior software engineer. Sounds impressive, but the model still has no idea what your code base looks like. Context engineering takes a different approach. Inject the repository, add architecture documentation, provide Git history, enable code execution. Suddenly, the assistant understands the actual project. Same model, completely different outcome. The exact same transformation happens in customer support, research assistants, and entire AI systems. If context engineering is the future, what should you learn? First, retrieval augmented generation, or simply we know it as RAG. Second, vector databases. Third, AI agents. Fourth, memory architectures. And fifth, tool integration. These skills determine how effectively you can deliver information to an AI system, and that's becoming more valuable than writing clever prompts. Let's quickly understand RAG. A user asks a question. The question is converted into an embedding. That embedding searches a vector database. Relevant documents are retrieved. The best results are assembled into context. And then the LLM generates an answer grounded in real information. Instead of relying only on training data, the model now has access to fresh and relevant knowledge. That's why RAG became one of the most important breakthroughs in modern AI applications. Memory is another crucial piece. AI agents need different kinds of memory: working memory for the current tasks, session memory for ongoing conversations, long term memory for persistent facts, and procedural memory embedded through fine tuning. Without memory, every interaction starts from zero. With memory, AI becomes personalized, adaptive, and significantly more useful. Here's a simple way to think about tools. Without tools, an AI can only think. With tools, it can act. It can search the web, execute code, access databases, read documents, send emails, schedule meetings, interact with external systems. Tool use transforms AI from chatbot into an agent, and that's one of the biggest reasons context engineering matters. This is the idea I want you to remember. The future won't belong to the people who write the cleverest prompts. It will belong to the engineers who build the best context. Because intelligence isn't just about reasoning, it's about having access to the right information at the right time. So the next time you are working with AI, stop asking, how can I improve this prompt? And start asking, what information does this model need? That mindset shift is the difference between building a chatbot and building a truly intelligent system. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives into AI engineering, agents, RAGs, LLMs, and modern AI systems. And let me know in the comments, do you think context engineering will completely replace prompt engineering? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.